Welcome all in one YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to create self-signed certificate. First you need to download text file in the description. So, let's start video. We are going to use OpenSSL software. So, you need to use a OpenSSL installed operating system for this. I saw there is a web app for OpenSSL. So, you can easily use it. I will put that web app URL in description. I use my Ubuntu server because it has OpenSSL pre-installed. First copy root access command. Paste it and press enter. You can see OpenSSL command. This is the command you need to run for creating self-signed certificate. Now copy generating certificate command. Paste it and press enter. Keep pressing enter until command is over. Now you have a self-signed certificate. Now OpenSSL has generated two files called certificate.crt and private.key. In Linux we need to run these commands to see those files. Copy showing certificate file command. Paste it and press enter. This is your SSL certificate. Copy showing private key file command. Paste it and press enter. This is your private key.